Welcome everyone to our new YouTube channel. There's John on the camera behind, and we're going to show you around Malta's largest print farm. And just basically what we do day to day here at Invent 3D. This is just the first video, just showcasing what we do, the cool stuff we do, the cool guys behind it all. Showing all the printers, all the cool products.
What are you going to show us today? What's happening?
Here we have the last bit of a large order of trophies. The process are doing the final pieces. We have a lot of other printers on standby for other products. We have some car parts we need to make out of different materials. So these are due tomorrow afternoon. It's just some plaques for a real estate company, for Alliance. They're all running larger printers, larger nozzles. We're doing the same thing for most of the large format machines, for the more reliable machines at least. We have a machine here that hasn't stopped going for 5 days, which is printing a lot of parts of a bleacher set for Blood Bowl. We have camera mounts for a van. It's a test print for a local company. A couple of cookie cutters. What else? Calibrations of different printers. I'm just trying to figure out the right temperatures of everything. And there's some stuff being printed in an enclosure so it doesn't warp. This is the graveyard.
Why graveyard?
Because these machines are well beyond economic repair or, unsupported by the manufacturer, etc. That?
Yes.
The sucky suck. The big suck. These are also due tomorrow afternoon actually. Just matching the logo of a local client and the Resin station. All the miniatures, a bunch of client orders, a bunch of test prints. And they're flexible. And that's where we're processing all the orders. We're a bit behind right now because we need more printers. This is pretty cool. These are 70 centimeters long. They're for a launch party. Again, due tomorrow evening. Assembly of our trophies. Featuring the all-powerful Manolo.
What are you checking, David?
Just checking that the glue marks don't show. What?
What happened? What happened? What happened?
What's that? Random table appeared behind me.
This is normal in the
This is normal. Things just happen. They just show up behind me.
Well,
This is the safest place to put a laptop. None of these are under NDA, so we can show them. This is the base of the trophy. A lot of them. Can you see that? Cool. These is just a working shelf of marketing models that need to be painted, photographed, uploaded, and then made into ads, etc. There's quite a few of them. We have 4,000 models, so as you can imagine, it takes some time. I sit here. This is my spot. I play Plants vs Zombies. That's it.
on your PC.
That's it. I do 3 instances and I play at the same time. I deal with marketing, emails, new clients, client projects, the vision, marketing, business plans, products, etc. That's me. So that's it for today. It's pretty exciting for us to start sharing these things on YouTube. Subscribe, share, do all the socials. and just stay tuned for more cool stuff.
Bye.
Bye.